So far we have discussed about the business data application and technology architecture domain, right? So few more things, right? Little bit in deep level to understand this better. So uh, business data application and technology breaks down the enterprise architecture in four core domains. Each domain defines the different elements collectively that collectively help align IT and business strategies. So business, so let's understand, we know what is business architecture now. It is mainly focusing on the business areas, like it defines the business structure, it defines the capabilities, strategies of the organization. Let's understand what is business capability. What does business must be able to do? That is the business capability. Business processes, that is basically workflows and procedure. Value stream, what how the value delivered to the stakeholders. And then information concept, key business terms and definitions. And if we talk about the organization unit, so organization units are department, teams, and roles. Same way in the data architecture. So data, as we know that what data is needed and how it will be managed, that comes under the data architecture. Now in data architecture, we are basically describing the uh, organization data structure and relationship and management of the service. So here, information objects, business relevant data entities, data objects, structured data model, conceptual, logical, and physical. And data management is the governance, quality, and access policies. And data resources are who owns, who manages, or uses the data. So this is data architecture related terms. Let's talk about the application architecture terms. So application, as you know, how the application supports the business and interact. So here, the it defines the software applications and their component and interaction with the business processes and each other. It includes application functions, what application does, application interfaces, how application connects, for example, API, application domains, grouping by functions or business areas, and application services, functional application provided by the applications. So these are related to the application architecture. Now let's talk about the technology architecture. In technology architecture, we are having what infrastructure supports the application and data. It describes the foundational hardware software infrastructure supporting the enterprise. IT infrastructure includes server, storage, compute, networks, middleware, messaging, your runtimes, layers, API, gateways, network elements, routers, switches, firewalls, technology platform, operating system, database, cloud environment, and runtime environments are container, virtual machines, and orchestrations. So these are some terms when you are going to use these terms. So you need to know that what is the meaning of that. For example, what is middleware means, what is network elements means. Now, if I go to the summary of all these, so here you can see business capability, processes, value stream, information concept, organization unit, and data architecture is the information object, data objects, data management, resources. Application architecture, application interfaces, domain, function, services, and technology architecture, IT infrastructure, middleware, network, platforms, cloud services, and runtime environments. That's it for this lecture, and we will meet on next lecture. Thank you very much for watching.